There's a real need for hygienic drainage to be well specified in a food and drinks factory. Principally, hygiene is the fundamental activity of the factory to protect. Drainage acts as one of those areas of risk and forms part of a prerequisite program that underpins HACCP. So if you don't have well-designed drainage, you're actually putting your business at risk as well as the public at risk from foodborne pathogens. It's very interesting that people don't review drainage in a very scientific manner. There are in fact EN standards that enable companies to design drainage hygienically, but these are largely ignored by the suppliers and also the clients who use the drainage. Our philosophy at ACCO is increasingly one of treating the drainage in the same way as you treat all other food contact services. And that philosophy embeds itself within the product developments that we have and the products that we design. Some of the core features that we like to design into our products are to really enable cleanability, are really there to avoid pathogens forming biofilms within the products, and essentially to ensure that they are always readily cleanable so that the right outcomes can be made within the factory. ACCO's view on drainage is that it should be treated holistically along with cleaning, maintenance, floor design and all sorts of other parameters that affect the design of the drainage and the food factory. A holistic approach is also underpinned within EHEDG, who also recommend this philosophy. And I think it's becoming more and more apparent that you need to keep and ensure that drainage fits and is in compliance with its surroundings, which includes the floor and all of the machinery associated in that area of production.